this is the hair I'll be using in today's video. Wavy bundles, these two wavy bundles. So let's get started. Hello beauty, so today I'll be showing you how I make my clip-in hair extensions. So there are two ways on how you can make your clip-ins, either by sewing or using a hot glue gun. So whichever you have is good enough. So usually I sew mine. It takes quite some time to finish, but it's worth it, and that's the way I've been using ever since. So that's what I'm gonna be showing you today. But if you wanna opt for a less time consuming way of making the clip-ins, you can just use a hot glue gun. So I'm gonna show you how I sew in my clip-in hair extensions. So for the sewing method, of course, we're gonna need some thread and needle, some clips for the clip-ins. It looks like this, opens and closes, scissors, then you're gonna need, of course, your hair bundles. So just to show you guys my braid pattern, I braided like the front half and the second half. So the front is, I just braided straight, and then the back I braided up so that if I wanted to do a ponytail, I could. So I'm just gonna show you how the hair looks. So this is one bundle. I'm sectioning the back part and front braids and putting the back part of my hair in a twist with a bobby pin to take measurements for the weaves on my head. So I'm starting from the nape of my head to measure the length and cut. Then for each measurement, I cut another equal part. So I do the nape of my head with my earlobe as my guide. I take another 3 different measurements of the hair above each other and cut into equal parts. So I have 8 pieces from my measurement and from that one weft. To begin sewing, you want to have your clip-ins open before you start sewing, so that it's in the correct direction with the clips on the bottom as you sew. So go through the first hole with your needle and come back in front of your clips to start another round. And go through the clip-in teeth and the top of the weaves each time. I hope this makes sense as you watch this. If you do basic sewing, you'll be able to do this when you have your materials. It's not very hard. So these are the clip-ins that I made from one bundle of the hair. So I have 4 pieces of the 5 clip-ins, then 2 pieces of the 4 clip-ins, 3 pieces of 3 clip-ins, and 2 pieces of the 2 clip-ins. So now I'm gonna style this on my hair. So I'm gonna start off with the 2 clip-ins first from the back because it's the shortest. Then onto the 3 clip-ins. The 4 clip-ins, and for the 5 clip-ins, I'm only going to be putting the hair on top of each other until I reach the middle part of my braids. Here I'm just separating the hair a bit to give the hair more volume, and I'm just adjusting the clips as I go. So I used all the hair that I had. I only have 2 pieces of the 5 clip-ins because my hair is already full. I've already reached the middle section, so these I'm gonna use it for my top bun. I'm just putting the braids in the front section of my head in a twist, and this is how the hair looks so far. And if you notice any spaces, just add more hair to fill it up. For my top bun, I attach clip-ins around until the base and into a small bun. So I really love that I have this new set of clip-ins.